Lemon roses frozen in ice cubes. The most beautiful decoration for summer drinks. Slice 3 lemons into thin rounds. Arrange them in a donut-shaped silicone mold, slightly overlapping the slices to create a rose shape. Pour in your favorite juice, then add chamomile flowers and mint leaves. Freeze for at least 6 hours. Drop them into water or lemonade and enjoy the beautiful effect. A barista shared this trick with me. Pour brewed coffee into an ice cube tray. Place it in the freezer for a few hours. Add the frozen coffee cubes to a glass, fill it halfway with milk, and top it up with coffee. This way, the cubes don't water down your drink like regular ice, but actually enhance its flavor. Save this video for later. This is how you make the most refreshing summer drink. Place mint leaves into an ice cube tray so they slightly stick out above the mold. Then add blueberries to each compartment. Pour lemonade over everything and put it in the freezer for a few hours until the cubes are completely frozen. Drop the finished cubes into a glass and pour your favorite drink over them. You'll get a light, refreshing drink perfect for summer. These cubes are a must if you want to take care of your body. You'll only need a few inexpensive ingredients. Take 1 lemon and cut it into small pieces. Lemon cleanses the body and supports digestion. Next, take 2 large oranges and cut them into quarters. Oranges not only strengthen your immune system, but also boost your metabolism. Peel the citrus fruits and put them into a blender. Take a piece of ginger and peel it with a teaspoon, the easiest way to do it. Ginger warms you up and stimulates digestion. Add it to the other ingredients. Then add a cup of fresh cranberries, which help cleanse the body of toxins. Sprinkle in a bit of ground cinnamon for a wonderful aroma. Add a few fresh mint leaves, and finish with some fresh thyme. Blend everything into a smooth, uniform mixture. Pour it into silicone molds and freeze. When the cubes are ready, take one, place it in a cup, add warm water, stir, and drink after a meal. These aromatic cubes for better digestion are full of flavor and natural ingredients that support your digestive system. Take care of your well-being every day. Vitamin cubes for immunity that will protect you all winter long. Start by cutting 2 oranges into smaller pieces. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and boosts energy. Next, slice 1 lemon. Peel off the citrus skins, removing the white layer so the taste isn't bitter. Then, take a piece of ginger and peel it with a teaspoon, the easiest way to do it. Put the peeled oranges, lemon, and a piece of ginger into a blender. Now peel some turmeric root. It's a natural antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and fights bacteria. Add it to the mix along with a few fresh mint leaves for freshness and better digestion. Pour in a generous amount of natural honey. It soothes, strengthens immunity, and has antibacterial effects. Blend everything until smooth and aromatic. Pour the mixture into silicone molds and freeze. When the cubes are ready, just take one out, drop it into a cup, and pour warm water over it. Stir and enjoy a drink that warms, boosts your immune system, and gives you energy. 1 tablespoon of this homemade elixir replaces a product from the pharmacy for me. I slice 1 red onion. It's rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. It helps cleanse the body of toxins. Next, I slice a clove of garlic. It contains allicin, which supports the immune system. I put everything into a jar and pour olive oil over it. Then I place the jar in a pot with water and heat it up. It's important that the temperature doesn't go above 248 degrees Fahrenheit. After a few minutes, I take the jar out. 1 tablespoon of this syrup a day replaces many pharmacy products. It boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, improves circulation and digestion, and protects the heart. A natural syrup for year-round immunity and vitality. A remedy making a comeback for good reason. Start by peeling several heads of garlic. Garlic helps cleanse the body, strengthen the immune system, and boost vitality in the way our grandmothers already knew. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and thanks to allicin and sulfur, it acts as a natural shield throughout the year. The next ingredient is cloves. These small aromatic spices are packed with essential oils. Now take a large, clean jar. Add the peeled garlic cloves and layer them with cloves. Fill the jar almost to the top, then cover everything with natural honey. Honey is not only a natural preservative, but also a source of energy, enzymes, and compounds that support the body. Combined with garlic and cloves, it enhances their beneficial effects. Seal the jar tightly and turn it upside down so the ingredients blend well. Leave it for a few days. During this time, the garlic, cloves, and honey will develop their full strength, creating a powerful natural syrup. Just 1 teaspoon a day, as prevention supports your immunity all year round. A simple ritual to care for yourself in harmony with nature. Sprinkle cinnamon on apple peel. You've got to try this. The benefits are unlike anything you've seen before. Take 2 well-washed apples and peel them, but don't throw the peels away. That's where the real power lies. Apple peel is packed with valuable antioxidants and fiber. Place the peels into a large pot and add a handful of bay leaves. Their rich aroma adds a unique depth and offers powerful natural properties. Now for a warm, fragrant touch. Add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Pour in about 4 cups of water and simmer with the lid on for around 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to blend the ingredients. Once it cools a bit, strain the liquid through a sieve and pour it into your favorite glass. Add a tablespoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. With just a few simple ingredients, you've made a warming, aromatic drink full of rich flavor and wellness benefits. Just a few minutes, and you're giving your body something truly good in the simplest way. Natural home remedy for overeating. It eliminates bloating, gas, and stomach pain while supporting digestion. The feeling of fullness disappears instantly, bringing quick relief. Take half a teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them in a mortar. Coriander improves digestion and helps with bloating. Add cumin seeds, known for relieving stomach pain, bloating, and digestive issues. Cumin regulates bowel function, aids both diarrhea and constipation, and stimulates digestive juices. Next, add a few black peppercorns. The piperine in black pepper promotes stomach acid and enzyme production. Include a small piece of ginger to combat bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Add dried mint, which stimulates digestion and soothes discomfort caused by overeating. Lastly, mix in a pinch of turmeric, which boosts bile production, aiding fat digestion. Crush all ingredients well. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Add the spice mixture and bring to a boil. Simmer for about 5 minutes, then strain the liquid. This drink relieves bloating, excessive gas, and stomach pain caused by overeating. Drink 1 glass in the morning and evening until symptoms subside. In much smaller amounts, it can also be given to children over 12 months old. Do you have your own remedies for overeating?